A group of moths began flying during the day rather than at night around 100 million years ago, taking advantage of nectar-rich flowers that had co-evolved with bees. This turn of events was responsible for the evolution of all butterflies. Scientists have known the precise timing of this event since 2019, when a large-scale analysis of DNA discounted the reigning hypothesis that pressure from predatory bats prompted the evolution of butterflies after the extinction of dinosaurs. Now, researchers from dozens of countries have created the world's largest butterfly tree of life, assembled with DNA from more than 2,000 species representing all butterfly families and 92% of genera. Using this framework, they traced butterflies' movements and feeding habits through time, in a four-dimensional puzzle that led back to North and Central America. According to their results, this is where the first butterflies took flight. There are approximately 19,000 butterfly species, and piecing together the group's 100 million year history required knowledge of their modern distributions and host plants. There was no single location where researchers could access this type of data prior to this study. Butterflies first appeared somewhere in Central and Western North America. At the time, North America was bisected by an expansive seaway that split the continent in two, while present-day Mexico was joined in a long arc with the United States, Canada, and Russia. North and South America hadn't yet joined via the Isthmus of Panama, but butterflies had little difficulty crossing the strait between them. Despite South America's close proximity to Africa, butterflies took the long route around, crossing the Bering Land Bridge into Asia. They quickly spread out from there, spreading into Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and parts of Eastern Africa. They even made it to India, which was then an isolated island surrounded on all sides by miles of open sea. Once butterflies established themselves, they quickly diversified alongside their plant hosts. Nearly all modern butterfly families had arrived by the time dinosaurs were extinct 66 million years ago, and each one appears to have had a special affinity for a specific group of plants. But bean plants turned out to be the ancestral hosts. Bean plants have since increased their roster of pollinators to include various bees, flies, hummingbirds, and mammals, while butterflies have similarly expanded their palette. Since the origin of butterflies, their evolution has been inextricably intertwined with that of flowering plants, and their close relationship has resulted in remarkable diversification in both